Hello, my friend. Welcome to MetaMind Meditation, the channel bringing you peace and wellness through guided meditations, sleep meditations, and practical tips for living a more fulfilling. This guided meditation is about becoming aware of how precious today is. The goal is to increase your awareness of this moment and your circumstances and experience a feeling of deep wonder and gratitude. Let's begin. Place yourself in a seated position. Relax and inhale slowly and deep. Allow the eyelids to close or remain slightly open, whichever is more comfortable to you. Focus on breathing deeply but comfortably. Begin relaxing your muscles from head to toe in sequence, as if a gentle, warm wave is tumbling down your body. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. See yourself as you currently are in your seated position. Begin to zoom out. Notice the room you are currently in. Zoom out to see the outside of the building you are in. Zoom out again to see the city or town you are in. Zoom out to see the county you're in. Now see the state in which you are in. Zoom further to see the country you are in. Zoom again to see the planet as a whole. See how it spins. Watch the clouds in the atmosphere gently swirling over our beautiful blue marble. At some point in the far past, our planet was just a random rock in space. By chance or design, water reached this rock. It happened to be at just the right location relative to our sun that life could begin to form. Eons later, these simple organisms became more complex. Cycles of life came and went, and right now, you are here. You are among the latest iterations of life on this planet. You have inherited untold ages of strife and triumph just to be here right now. You are that important. Let's think about the life we share this planet with. Plant life, both on land and in the oceans, has a special relationship with us. It breathes in our carbon dioxide and returns fresh oxygen to the atmosphere for us to use. It helps the land maintain its shape by helping to mitigate changes brought by rain, storms, and strong winds. Plants produce food for us and for many other animals on the planet. These animals contribute to our success as well. Some we eat, some assist us as farm animals or pets, and others exist in nature as predators and prey. They are all a part of the great system of life that we share on this planet. Think about the delicate balance our world maintains. Each year, the Earth revolves around the Sun. With its tilt, we experience 4 distinct seasons, which cause a continual ebb and flow of life on the planet. We cycle from new growth into warm months full of life, and then into cooler months of harvest before entering cold months where the Earth seems to rest. And then the cycle restarts. If our planet were closer or further from the Sun, the planet couldn't maintain that balance. Month by month, we watch the Moon transition through its phases. Sometimes it moves a little closer to Earth, and it affects the ebb and flow of the oceans more profoundly. We have the daily cycle of the Sun and Moon, day and night, activity and rest. We can visit polar ice caps, lush forests, mysterious caves, clear oceans, and apparently empty deserts, all here on this one planet. Now let's consider the most amazing miracle we know about on this planet: human mind. Think about it. This entire experience has all been due to your imagination responding to my voice, which occurred due to my own mind forming these words, writing them, speaking them, and recording them. This entire experience is unique because you, in your own mind, created it. You've been in the driver's seat this entire time. Consider all the amazing things we humans have created over the generations. We have found ways to manipulate nature such that we are beginning to leave the planet that birthed us. We have found ways to conquer time by producing oral traditions, books, and audio and video recordings. Hopefully, this makes you wonder what it is we can't do. That should inspire you to dream big and go after all the things you truly desire. Spend the next few moments on the things we talked about, the balance of life here on this planet, all the things that had to go right for you to be here, and all of the things that are currently going on right now that allow us to keep being here. As you go about your day, carry this feeling of wonder and awe with you. See if you can find new ways to look at the world, and see if you can share these observations with others. Peace and light upon your beautiful soul, forever and always.